horsey. Come on, give him a walk. It's like a workout.
He needs a little help. Here.
Come on, let's walk him. Come on, let's get him out of the way. Come on. It's all right. Come on, you get.
He likes to hold the leash, but you have to kind of help him.
Here. You hold the leash, and I'll push the horse, okay? Go. Giddy up. These little suitors. Here you are. I got him. You go. Pull. Go ahead.